Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this glowing foundation routine in this winter season. It is very important that this winter season we need to moisturize our face very well. Use any moisturizer that suits your skin. And once you have moisturized your face, you need to make sure you are priming your face with your favorite primer. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer here. And I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation and mixing that with the L'Oreal Lumi Touch Illuminator, and making sure I'm dotting that all over my face and blending that with a beauty blender. Now you can use this highlighter how much ever glowiness you want to show on your skin, and the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation is very hydrating. I really love to use this in this dry winter season. It really moisturizes your face and kind of keeps that shows that natural glow on your skin. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm blending that very well. Once I'm done with that, I am making sure I'm covering the darkness on my face using the LA Pro Conceal and making sure I'm blending that well. For a flawless glowy foundation, you need to make sure there are no darkness on your skin, so use a good concealer that suits your skin type. I'm using the same concealer on the high points of my face, which will just highlight the face. On my forehead, on the bridge of the nose, on Cupid's bow, and on the chin. This will give that natural glow from within. And you need to have some color on your cheeks. I am not using a contour, I'm just using the Makeup Revolution blush palette, and I'm using the blush and kind of defining, giving some definition to my face without using a contour. So once I am done with the blush, I am making sure I'm using a fluffy brush, using a little bit of MAC Studio Fix powder and applying that all over my face. And for a little more glow, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Strobe highlighter, or just on the highest points of my cheek. Once I'm done with that, I'm just filling up my eyebrows. Eyebrows do make a lot of difference in framing your face and kind of gives you a youthful look. So make sure, if you're not really blessed with heavy eyebrows, then make sure you fill in your brows well. So once that is done, then I'm doing my eyes with my new Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette. I'm really excited to try that. And this is the final rest of the makeup that is done and the final look, to give you a very natural glow from within kind of a look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.